Hello everyone. I think 1 minute to go to start.
It's 5 o'clock.
Okay. Yeah. Uh, First of all, I would like to thank all my teachers, my mentors. Happy Teachers Day. And just because of them, my heart felt thank you for Dr. Hema Divakar, who is a gynecologist of Divakar's Hospital, Divakar Specialty Hospital. And also Mr. Shantan, who is a business analyst of iSpeak, and also the young and a charming girl called Apurva of InnovaCraft. Thank you so much for all these three members, and also my parents, my cousins, my kids, my husband, everyone. Thank you. This is again Suma Shekhar, a founder of Healthy Routine. So, what is Healthy Routine? Healthy Routine is a company which believes food as medicine. We heal people through food. Whatever we prepare, I try to heal people through the food. We say no to preservatives, store-bought food, or artificial colors. We take honor to build a customized basket which are suitable to their needs. Giving high priorities to likes and dislikes of individual is the strength of Healthy Routine. Coming back to the topic, what is diabetes? Okay, so diabetes in the layman's language, what we say is diabetes is a disease which occurs when our blood glucose, also called as blood sugar, is too high in our body. To maintain this main source of energy that comes from the food what we eat. Okay, the insulin, a hormone which is made by pancreas, helps glucose from food to get into your cells to use for energy. So there are two types of diabetes. One is type 1 and type 2 diabetes. So type 1 diabetes is a diabetes where your body does not make any kind of insulin in your body. Okay, so your immune system attacks and destroys the cell in your pancreas that makes insulin. So people with diabetes, they have low immunity systems. Immunity basically. So they are prone to catch with a lot of viral infections or a bacterial infection. So their immunity they have to maintain little higher. So in type 2 diabetes, your body cells aren't able to respond to insulin as well as they should. In later stages of the disease, your body may also not produce enough insulin. So this might lead into a very chronic high blood sugar levels, causing several symptoms leading to severe complications in diabetes. So I would like to let you know what kind of health problems may occur when you don't take care during the diabetes. So the health problems, mainly what we see in diabetic patients are heart attacks. So people will never notice that high diabetes, people will never have the pain or anything when they get heart attack. Or they are prone to stroke, eye problems, dental, nerve damages, foot problems, and kidney diseases. So I would like to let you know that there are few home tips to control diabetes. You are already, you also have the diabetes now. For an example, I'm saying you. So, how would you manage once it is? So, we have to think, yeah, it has come. So, what next? So, how would you manage the diabetes if you have the diabetes at home? These are very simple remedies where you can where it can do lot of wonders. And we Indians, we are born with lot of gift that the spices, herbs, the leaves, the ingredients what we carry from ages, they are wonderful medicines to our body. So few tips to control diabetes are: take 1 spoon of methi, soak it overnight in 1 big glass of water, and early in the morning after finishing your daily routine, you just mix that with the spoon. Try to drink the water with the methi seeds. That will really help you to control the diabetes. And also it is good for young girls who are going through a lot of periods pain, and it is a big strength to ladies basically during our menstruation. So the second one is intake 6 almonds soaked overnight. That also helps in keeping a check on diabetes because it is high in fiber. Almonds are very rich in fiber, so it helps basically. So I don't say that you should not be taking the medicine. So it is a overall overall things or the well-being you have to focus on. So to maintain that glucose level in your body. So, and they also say that many of my relatives, they say that drinking tomato juice with salt and pepper early in the morning with an empty stomach, it will help. So for me it doesn't work because there is an acid in the tomatoes, so it might aggravate little bit of acidity in your body. So the best two home tips to control the diabetes are 6 almonds soaked overnight and drink the water with the almonds, and the methi seeds which are soaked overnight, drink the water with the methi seeds. That will really help you out. It also takes out the toxins from your body. The methi seeds will take out the toxins also from your body. And what are the foods that help to control diabetes apart from these two? So how would you manage the whole day with your plan of what you eat? I would say oats. Oats are the best, fiber to your body. Whole grains and millets, very little quantity. High fiber foods you have to include in your diet. You also can eat pastas or noodles or whatever it is. So the percentage of vegetables in the noodles or the pasta should be, I would say, 60%, and 40% should be your pasta or noodles. So if you add for pastas also a lot of broccolis, mushrooms, those things will really help to stabilize that kind of intake, whatever you take. So if you increase the vegetables during the night times, and I don't say that you have to eat only vegetables and sleep. No, you can make a lot of broccoli soups without any kind of cream. No, you can add a little bit of milk rather than cream, So that would be wonderful. And you can have a little bit of tomato soups or vegetable soups, or green peas soups with some kind of salads. Like you can toss some veggies like mushroom, broccoli, and baby corn, one or two, zucchini, capsicums. So these will help you to balance your diet during the night times. So I would say sprouts, they are the best one to consume in a day, like horse gram. Horse gram sprout is filled with fiber, so you can consume horse gram. What do you say? Like in Kannada we say husli. We say. So you just have to give tadka with mustard seeds, add this boiled horse gram into it, add a little bit of coconut. If you want, you can add a little bit of onions to it, and then add a little bit of green chilies and coconut salt. That would be enough. Having one bowl of that and little bit of soup would serve your dinner. So try to maintain your dinner in a very minimal way so that it helps you a lot. While going to bed, you can have a small glass of haldi and pepper milk. So that will help you to sleep well also. So the high fiber vegetables such as peas, beans, broccoli, spinach, you have to include in your diet. Pulses are very, very important. So there are a lot of recipes wherein I'll be giving you. So if you're really interested, you can start taking it down, or else if you can remember that, that's well and good. So here when I say pulses, I told you horse gram also. And you can also go for green gram. Green gram you can soak overnight, and then early in the morning you take the water, you get rid of that water, and you put it in a mixie jar, adding little bit of coconut and little coriander leaves, also green chilies, salt, grind it and make dosas. Add a fresh, if you get it, add a fresh methi leaves, chopped methi leaves. That will really help you out, and it is highly filling. It really fills your stomach. And also good fats such as omega-3 will help you out. So if you are a vegetarian, omega-3 where you get from is flax seeds, chia seeds, you can have that. So there are a lot of recipes which we can do from these two, which you will be going on. Please go through my blog also. I'll be sharing a lot of recipes there. You can involve omega-3 into your diet as well. So if you are a non-vegetarian, you can go with fatty fish and yeah, I'm a vegetarian, so I think so you can go with the fish. Salmon would be better, I believe. So otherwise you can get a lot of flaxseed oil outside, cold pressed flaxseed oil. So what you can do is you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons for your salad and just eat it. It is a nutty flavor again. You will never make out when you add 1 or 2 tablespoons to your salads at all. No, you can't make out at all. So nuts, basically nuts are very, very, very good for the normal people also, as well as diabetic. For diabetes, what I suggest is you can go with almonds, walnuts, and pecans, and Yeah, pecans as well as 1 or 2 dates is also good. Give a gap of 4 days and have 1 or 2 dates. That is also okay. And fruits, what you have to consume is papaya, apple, orange, pears, guava. Guava is the king of the fruits for all, not only for diabetic people, because it fills your tummy. It contains a lot of magnesium in it, and it is good for people who gets lot of, especially ladies who gets lot of cramps during pregnancies or during our menstrual cycles. So this is very very good fruit, and papaya is also very good. And what I do with papaya is I eat papaya as well as the seeds. Don't worry about anything. You just take the seeds in the spoon or in your hand and have a water, gulp it. So that will do a lot of miracles. I believe you can try it out and just, say me the benefits what you got it from just swallowing the papaya seeds. So there are a lot of health benefits with that as well. So in India, Indian cuisine, we are tend to eat a lot of carbohydrates. We don't involve a lot of proteins as a vegetarian. I'm talking about vegetarians. We don't involve a lot of proteins or fiber. We are tend to take lots and lots of carbohydrates. Even veggies, what we eat contains lot of carbohydrates. So how would you balance that? Basically, I have not studied any nutrition course or anything. This is all my effort from 15 to 16 years, what I have collected, experimented on my family and myself, and then I have started this company. So what I do, how do I manage? Basically, I get rid of all the oils what you get outside. Please get rid of those oils what you get outside. You can use the cold press oils or buy uh, cold press machines, cold press oil machines, which cost you hardly 25 to 30,000 bucks. It's a lifelong asset. Instead of you buying one kind of jewelry or a saris or something, you can invest money on this. This will fetch you a lot. So cold press oils what you get in organic stores, you can buy those. And Borges olive oil, light, for a regular cooking, and use different kinds of oil. So example how I do in my kitchen is I use Borges olive oil as a standard oil for everything. You can put tadka, you can fry in that, nothing will happen. So it is so light that even under the cold water, if you just wash your hand, the oil stain is gone. So that is how it has to be when we consume food also. So I use that as a standard oil, and use the cold press oil like coconut and groundnut, sesame seeds, nigir seeds oil. All these things you get in organic store. So you can buy those. If you have used sunflower oil to make upma in the morning for a breakfast, in the afternoon for rasam, tadka, you can use peanut oil. So this is how you can vary the oils so that you get all the nutrition, whatever it is required to your body. So that's how I maintain that. And there's no big deal to learn all those things. It is just the effort you have to put it on. Now the Google is an open book. You can go there, keep watching what you can do and what best you can get the ingredients. Try to invest little bit of amount of money to your health. So which will fetch you to, I would say, enjoy your wealth, whatever you have made for yourself, and you can really enjoy the life with your family as well. So how? I mean, there are a lot of plant protein. There are plant-based proteins also, protein powders. Basically, I use the protein powder from Amway. That is really good. You can have one scoop and make a ganji, or you can whisk that with one scoop of powder with hot water, and then you can drink as a milk in the morning. Or if you don't like to drink like that, you can add one scoop for your chapati flour, or a roti, whatever whatever you are making, you can add it for that, and then you can use it. So using lot of proteins and all these things will help you a lot. Like you can make lot of paneer. Instead of you making masala dosa, that's what I do. That's what I invent myself. Why not I do like this? So instead of you making masala dosa, adding potatoes and making a curry out of it and filling it in the dosa batter, you can crumble the paneer and make burji out of it, like add onions, tomatoes, whatever you want, and fill that into the dosa and fold it, have one dosa. So that would be your paneer masala dosa. So, or else if you really want to have try out of box thinking out, you can make mushroom dosa. Fill all the stir fried mushroom into the dosa and close it and eat it. So you need some different taste to your mouth as well. So we have been eating from decades the same thing. So try to have a change in your kitchen. And the must ingredients here for diabetic people here is kindly use sweeteners as jaggery. Jaggery would be best. And you can make tea out of it, milk tea out of it, jaggery tea. Also add for milk and add little bit of pepper and haldi to it. It tastes yum. So even if you are a baker, if you are baking, add jaggery for it. Whatever you do, try to avoid 3 whites like maida and white sugar and white salt. So use pink salt. That's what I do. So these are the few choices where you can make yourself really conscious of what you eat. And here the foods, like how healthy routine can help you out with all these things. There are a lot of things. I got one of the testimonial from one of my friend saying that this is a small story. I would like to narrate this. During he just went out for some marriage, and all of a sudden his sugar levels came down, and he couldn't do anything, but he has taken one of the product from me. That is, I make dates laddu. Okay, instead of granola bar, I make in the form of laddu, which are 25 to 30 grams, which is almost this much, and it contains n number of things. So there are hidden ingredients in that, like flax seeds, chia seeds, and fresh turmeric and fresh pepper that is green in color pepper. So we have that kind of laddu in the basket of diabetic also. So he has taken that just to try it. He went to the function, and his wife thought that he's almost 65 plus. So his wife thought that he might really need this. So we wrap in such a way it is a mess free. So it was covered with aluminum foil, and she just put that into her purse and went with him for a marriage. All of a sudden, in the middle of the marriage, his sugar levels came down and he's feeling really shaky, and nothing is there to eat. So all of a, spontaneously his wife took that laddu out from her purse and she gave it to him. He just had 2-3 bites. I told him, whenever you have that low sugar, you feel that, you need to chew the food as much as possible. So he just chewed 2-3 bites and he felt literally better. So the moment he got better, and previously also he had this kind of low sugars, where he went somewhere and he had that, and he ate 2-3 ice creams, sugars, 3-4 spoons, but still, his sugar levels didn't come to control, it seems. So he was so happy with the product what we had, and he just gave me a very good testimonial. I was so happy that I was on the right moment whenever he was in need of it. So this is what this healthy routine, which has been born, it is made to heal. It is because of the reason because of healthy routine was born was my dad. It was a 100% contribution to my dad, who is no more. I lost him 4 years back, and he was having a lot of sugar variations, and he had a chronic disease of liver cirrhosis. And I told my dad, I'm helping you out with whatever I'm doing, so I would like to continue even after you. And this is the happiness what I get, helping people out, as a housewife or a family, you can't do anything and everything at home. You feel somehow you're lost. You can't involve flaxseed in a day, chia seed. So what we do as a healthy routine, we are specialized in designing the foods with superfoods, antioxidant rich foods, seeds, nuts, oats, pulses, etc. And we have the concept called baskets. We go after the needs of every individual. The baskets are named after, diabetic friendly basket, and, period pain relief basket, immunity basket, pre-pregnancy, post-pregnancy, kids brain development basket. And we have 9 verticals of baskets. And 10th vertical basket is, something very, very, very different. I hail from Shumaga, which is Malnad, and we people from Shumaga believe that, you go out, pluck something and do a dish out of it. So these are the, rooted recipes in the 10th basket, that is premium basket. So we create that and we give it to people. So we also have this diabetic friendly basket, which are highly crafted and customized with the choices of, everyone, whatever likes and dislikes they have. We take high care on that. So we can provide the packages for mid-morning and mid-evening snacks plus breakfast, or breakfast, high protein flours for roti. And we do also do the milk powders, which are really high in protein and fiber. We can also be placed on the snacks, or the whole day foods can be provided in the basket, which are, some of them are ready to eat format, and some of them are semi ready to eat products. So you can also visit my site called www.healthyroutine.com. We are also in social media, blogs, everywhere. So I would like to thank everyone who have attended the live. So thank you so much for you know uh, also helping me out and promoting these kind of things, which we should always start believing food as medicine, not medicine as food. So try to experiment yourself with whatever you have. You need not have to have the skill of being a master chef or anything. So try to connect to your body. Try to see how it has helped you out in a day. Try to take Jira water. We have a kind of detoxification packages. We also have the consultation verticals. We can help you out with lot of changing. You have to change your lifestyle. That's it. You can also have pastas, burgers outside, but you should see that what is good for your health. As we grow old, we need to be more careful. We really need to be more careful to our kids, our family members who are relying on us. So by saying all these things, I would like to finish this. Thank you so much. And anyone have any kind of questions, you can let me know. Thank you so much.